What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're at Walmart right now. I have to go get more water for the shop, and then I gotta get a bunch of paper towels and a couple other little things. It is gloomy today. Overcast, rainy, doesn't look very good. It's the first week of school, so we are dead. I think we did 2 sets of roll-ups this morning, and then that was pretty much it. And there's nothing else on the books, and I don't foresee it to be anything else. So when we're gonna go buy all the things we need to buy for the shop, I'm gonna look around and see if there's anything that that can keep me entertained for the day. So let's see what we got. This usually takes forever. Plus, I don't know why, but if you look at this, like this thing right here is like exposed. Like it's over here. This cover's supposed to be on there. This thing has been broken for almost a year, but instead of fixing that, they ended up putting a digital display on here, so that's nice. But yeah, this is where we get all our water for our shop. I think we tried using the hose or tap water and it just didn't really work out. I think there's additional minerals in the water in this particular area that aren't really good. It ends up leaving contamination and microparticles in the installs. So we just get fresh water now. Fun fact, 5 gallons of water weighs a little over 40 pounds. So that's always fun when you're doing like 5 of these. All right, water's down. Now we need paper towels and coffee creamer. Actually, the coffee creamer is really for me because I'm the only one that drinks the French vanilla, but yeah. I got all my shopping done now. I'm gonna go see if I can find something for me to do. Something car related probably would be good. Yeah. All right, I think I found it. I think here it is. This is what we're gonna do today. It is the, whoop, it's broken now. It is the invisible glass reach and clean tool. This is for front windshields, back windshields. I don't know if I'd use this to prep, but afterwards cleaning, I think it'd be good because cleaning front windows is kind of a pain in the butt, and back windows. So I think that's a good one. We'll go ahead and try that out, test that out, see how it goes. This one goes for $13.50. I saw a Rain-X one, but it was only like $4. So I'm like, that seems a little cheap and a little sketch. So we're gonna try this one out. Done with shopping. Done with shopping. Go ahead and go back to the shop, unload, and go ahead and try out that windshield cleaner thingy. Let's see how good it is. Oh. All right, back at the shop now. So let's see, we have this invisible glass reach and clean tool. So this is what we're gonna be looking at today. It was about $15, 14, no, $13.50. There was one from Rain-X that was kind of the same thing, but it was only $4 and it looked really, really cheap. So I'm hoping that this is gonna be something that's good for the shop. I think so. I don't know if it's gonna be good for prepping before installation, but definitely like after cleaning, because yeah, I don't know. It's designed to be able to reach into the hard to reach places, and it is flexible, so it'll curve to the contours of the glass. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and then we'll try it out. This is the window cleaner, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see what we have inside. On the back it says it has the unit itself with the pivot arm, 2 reversible, washable, and reusable quick change waffle weave microfibers, a zip mesh pouch for washing, storage, and drying. And it looks like it has a handle here to hold it, and the handles on the top and bottom look like they unscrew so that you're able to add an extension pole for maybe cleaning higher windows and things of that nature. We're not going to need to use that because we're just cleaning back windows and front windshields. So let's go ahead and open her up. That. So the 2 microfiber towels are right there. Here's the handle, and here is the paddle that all goes on. It is fairly flexible, so that's good here. And I believe these don't wrap around. It looks like they just, you kind of just toss it on, just like that. And yep. I thought it would like wrap around, but it doesn't wrap around. But that's okay, because I don't know how long these microfibers are going to last, so I can throw on some older ones or different ones. But this honeycomb mesh material, that's what's really going to help keep it on. So, and this is a nice touch, you know, little mesh bag. That way I can throw the microfiber towels in, and it's not going to, you know, I don't know, it'll stay clean. So let's go put it together here. In one side, I guess it doesn't matter. Does it matter? Let me see here. I'm assuming since it's curved that way, I'm going to put that against the thing like this, so it's flat, versus this way. Obviously, then I don't know. I just feel like this way is the better way. So let's do it. All right. Clip. All right. Cool. That's it. So yeah, and then you can put this, you can store the microfibers in this little pouch right here, just for safe keeping and storage. And then when you're washing and drying, it's kind of like the same type of bag that you use for like delicates, women's delicates. You just take this and you throw it in the washer just like this, and then you can throw it in the dryer just like this, and yeah. So the unboxing is done. Now let's go ahead and try it out on a windshield, kind of see how it cleans. I'm gonna do, I don't have a piece of glass that isn't tinted because all the windows in my car is tinted, but we'll clean the front windshield and the back window, kind of see how easy it is using this stuff. All right, so I'm inside my car right now. I have the visible glass reach and clean tool. So we use invisible glass at the shop as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it down. If you're a detailer, most of the time you spray the microfiber towel so you don't get your deck all dirty, but, or overspray on your deck here. Let's go ahead and clean this off here. Huh. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty clean. That is pretty clean. I like that. So final thoughts on the invisible glass reach and clean tool. Is it worth the $13.50 to purchase it? Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say so for sure. It's a good piece of material. It's hard plastic. I think this is a home run. If you're interested in a tool like this, I picked it up at Walmart, but I'm sure you can pick it up at most AutoZone, auto parts stores, plus Walmart, Target, things of that nature. Maybe not Target. Actually, I've been to Target and they don't have a lot of auto stuff. I guess that's it. That's my final thoughts, and we'll see you next time.